Ground meat is mixed with salt, pepper, ginger and garlic paste, spices, egg and coriander. It's then formed into a log, stuffed with boiled eggs, and then baked. Halfway through, it's brushed with chili sauce and cooked again. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I have an amazing recipe for you today. We're going to be making Nargisi Kofta Meatloaf. Now, I've made Nargisi Kofta before and I've made meatloaf before, but this is a Nargisi Kofta Meatloaf. It's going to be made in the oven and it's super easy to make and super delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the ground meat. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. You can either use lamb or mutton as well. Add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg, half a cup of chopped coriander, and I'm going to mix everything really well into the meat. Now, using an oven tray, I'm going to line this up with about 1/3 of the mixture at the bottom. With your fingertips, make a couple of depressions and add 3 boiled eggs back to back. Cover with the rest of the mixture and press to pack the loaf tightly around the eggs. I'm going to cook this in my 350-degree oven. It's going to take about 40 minutes to an hour. Halfway through, I'm going to remove the loaf and I'm going to brush it with chili sauce and I'm going to return it back into the oven to cook. When it's ready, you can slice it to reveal the eggy center. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Nargisi Kofta Meatloaf. It's such a great recipe, 2 great cultures combined in one, and it results in this delicious, spicy, tasty meatloaf. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see. Also, share these videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of my recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.